It's a memo by a party church joint. We a quick one. Me pet show quite a fast so connected. Or laptop no, and as a computer no. Now, what me a browser using your Bluetooth. Bluetooth never phone is no. Bit me a connected. I'm our laptop no, battery T. Bit me a connected Bluetooth and I'm our laptop no. Now they are browsing. But the other woman say, "Obey subscribe to this channel." Now I share no I like videos so the be ya upload the video bia also benya access na wetin ya behwe bi enti kwan be fa so a obetimi a browse on your computer, access the internet on your computer using your Bluetooth connection, not Wi-Fi, not your hotspot, your Bluetooth. The Bluetooth also has its own hotspot. That is what we are going to use. But as we move along some video be about kids toys and all that. If you want to have one, you just call or you put it at the comment section, or there's a number in the video. Call the number and it will be duly delivered to you wherever you are in Ghana. It is nationwide delivery. So don't say if you want a coin one CC, it be deliver amount. Just contact the number that you see. I will mention the number for you so that you can just contact the number and then you buy. It's very good. At least the stress that your kids are giving to you will be reduced. Be hard drink. At least to be more you can have your peace of mind. So now hope I can have your peace of mind and your privacy. Don't know so you should grow. So as you move along, you see this is what I'm talking about. Where toys car, but it works marvelously. So as we move along, you see how it works. This is how they look like. See next year, it be nominated. And you will be different models. Different models.
You are my sunshine.
So this is how it works. Now the number, pick the number. 0558 359880. Pick the number 0558 359880. So this is how it works. Put the battery machine. Put the battery machine as also say an a movie and a solar light. A movie, a solar light. Maybe be a kama or ban any bedroom. Surprise your kid. Surprise your kid with some of these things. At least show your kids some love. Yeah, show your kids some love. At least once a while. When they talk to school is about to vacate. When they perform in exams, just give it to them as a gift. And it will just motivate them to even learn how. Because of this. How many you have had journey? Utomana, at least. I agree on Behano. I know maybe to me I then Abrasic Accra. That is that. Take a good look at it. Whereas our toys car, you are saying it here. All the battery nation now so pay a better new robot to see. They need to be moving with the light and then some jingles. Yes, some jingles are very interesting to be moving. You do baby now say when they get choked, it will just get back. It uses some bit of artificial intelligence. So in fact, it is very good. Get one for your kid. At least surprise your kid. It's also the ambulance, also seeing it here. Solar light, disco light, baby room. In fact, it's very good, very very interesting, very very interesting, very interesting. Police in the kind of buy and also seeing it here with the battery tumor. Now also a movie up and down. In Dupebia, the number that I mentioned, number 2 channel with their friend that number, and I saw the WhatsApp that number. Maybe I will be WhatsApp can be wherever you are in Ghana. No, also WhatsApp can be. In fact, it's very nice, very very nice. Utoma Obano. and then imagine hope or true exams promising so to be a man. I don't ready in at least man BB. I don't ready, you know. Seen a juma. This how it works. Yeah. Seen a juma. The trying to near neighbor. Na identity so. In fact, any idea so. It's very good. Very, very good. Go baby not to friend number no. Friend number no. Not to be mauba. Maybe I will be at February. To be mauba. To be mauba. With your friend number no in casa. Hope say distributor friend no. Only one casa. Hope say distributor offer. Yeah, baby, no more. They go see me for country. Yeah. They go follow man them go. For countryside. If we die, they go see me. They go follow man them go. It's a friend number no. Ofra. Cause the whole video note just join. Just tell them why you got the number. Just tell them where you got the number. They go follow man them go for countryside.
Time no the wait for nobody what to far corner. I want to what yes with the waste time. Everybody get your own blessing. I touch my nasu will be so why you the hit man? By the time Begum brothers, no more. They go see me for countryside. If you die, they go see me. They go follow man them go for countryside. If you die, they go see me. They go follow man them go for countryside. If you die, they go see me. They go follow man.
Like I said, no, we are still on it. Offer number now. Or the catcher almost say whoever picks, and I say be an American say you said a video on T-shirts joint with YouTube, and we see an hour free, and I say order. Maybe I will be in February. Maybe I will be on February. So relax, and look at how these things work. Very, very good and very, very nice. It's very affordable. It's not expensive. Ghana is hard. It's not expensive. So expensive. Just pick the number and order. It will come at any time. Just speak with them. Just speak with them. If you want to be a distributor, talk to them. Talk to them. You make huge profits. So just talk to them. Now let's go back to the main project. Let's go back to the main project. The main project is how to connect your Bluetooth to your computer and then browse with it. So first we are going to let's go to our phone first.
Our phone actually we top no bra from so Bluetooth no or offer so we are called settings now call hotspot so hotspot no me also click me Bluetooth no there so enable the Bluetooth part so Bluetooth there no make sure say we're on we are just go back to your main screen and then go back to your laptop our phone actually we top no bra.
Okay. If you catch what say come back to your desktop. Okay. Now you're on your desktop. Search for control panel. So type control panel. Okay, it's here. Control panel. Open it. The control panel. Subscribe. Yeah. Subscribe. I like the video now. Share devices and at least show some kind of love to the channel. Make sure say we're connected already. We're connected with phone with your computer ready. Now come and look for your device. The name of your phone. The name of my phone. My phone Tecno Spark Go 2021. That's what I use. So just click. That is, you right click on it. Then go to connect using, and choose access point. Then it will connect to your Bluetooth. Connection successful. Now come to your network. Wait for some few seconds to be connected. Yes, now it has connected. Now you can browse. If you have data on your phone, you can just browse. If you have data on your phone, you can browse. I just want to close. Me close the browser. We see the player. People say how it works. Now you can just browse. Okay. You can just browse. Okay. I have this browser opened. Okay. Okay. Let me just search for, let's see, photos. My network is being slow. Yes. So that is that. It's you connected. You can browse through your Bluetooth device on your phone, not necessarily through Wi-Fi and some other connections. Who Bluetooth is what? A very easy way to me. I browse it using the Bluetooth connection on your phone. And the Bluetooth, and your pictures and videos and it doesn't only work from phone to phone to transfer just media or data. The sign browser. This is how it's being done. And see, next time, you can do it on your own. Now, we'll browse it with your Bluetooth. And that's just how we do it. That's it. And I'm still reminding you that the kids items that we have on a page is available. They are available. Any of them that you see available. And they are nationwide delivery. It can be delivered to you anywhere, wherever you are. It can be delivered to you. Maybe I will be a meeting us in April and found it's nationwide delivery. You just have to specify where you want us to send through, maybe through transport, through post office, wherever, and it will come to you. Alright. So that is that. If there's anything you want to ask, put it in the comment section. And you get the answer. You'll be answered. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.